Francel. Barbie Forteza and David Licauco, Barda. Karen Oinuma and Jeremiah Lisbo, Kaumia. Katie Estrada and Alexa Ilacad, Katie Lex. Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano, Donda. Jillian Ward and Jeff Moses, Gillette.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Don Bell. Congratulations!
Hello po, VP Choice Awards. Thank you again for this Love Team of the Year award. Of course, I shared this alongside Bel Mariano. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumoto, to all our supporters, all the judges, just everyone who consists of the VP Choice Awards. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. And we'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys.
Hello guys, good evening. Loves Team of the Year. Siyempre, unang-una gusto ko magpasalamat kay Donnie. Thank you so much. And it's always a pleasure working with you. And to everyone that supported Don Bell, sa lahat ng Bubblies, Don Bell, maraming salamat po. We dedicate this award to you guys and we love you.
Sino ka man?
Vito for
Kyle
Vito.
Esari for Senior High. Ding Dong Dantes for Royal Blood. And Coco Martin for FDJ's Batang Quiapo.
The VP Choice Award goes to Donnie Pangilinan. Congratulations.
Hello po, VP Choice Awards time. Maraming salamat po for this award, TV Actor of the Year. Sorry I can't be there right now, but I'm finishing it. Pero maraming salamat for all the support throughout this series. And I dedicate this as well to all the supporters of Can't Buy Me Love and everyone who voted. Maraming salamat. And hope to see you guys very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.
Cedric Juan for Gomborza. Ding Dong Dantes for Rewind. Ensong D for Here Comes the Gloom.
Ibig sabihin na umusan yan.
Elijah Canlas for About
Nagka-picture
Us,
siya doon?
but Not About Us. And Viola Pascual for Valyan.
The VP Choice Award goes to
Alden Richards for 5 Breakups in Your Romance. Congratulations.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I think this is my second award for VP Choice Awards, and yung first time ko yata hindi ako nakapunta, but for tonight, I really made it possible to come here. To thank, of course, most especially my supporters po for the vote that I have gotten po from the poll. Sila po yung nagpuyat and nag-effort to vote for me, and this award is for them. I'd like to dedicate this award also to yung partner ko po sa 5 Breakups in Romance, si
Julia
Montes, and of course to our writer-director, Director Eric Villamor. And maraming salamat po for this award. And buhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino. Thank you so much.
Alden! Congrats!
The VP Choice Awards for TV Station of the Year award goes to the people's favorite TV network that consistently offers high-quality news and entertainment shows that consistently ranks among viewers' favorites.
The nominees are GMA Network, TV5, while truly understanding the requirements of the characters they portray.
And the nominees are Ronnie Alonte for Pira Pirasong Paraiso. Katie Estrada for Paraiso. Ken Chan for Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Kelvin Miranda for Unika Iha. JC De Vera for Nag-aapoy na Damdamin. And Benjamin Alves for Magandang Dilag.
And the baby
The
choice.
VP Choice Award goes to
Katie Estrada!
start, can we just acknowledge the other nominees po? They're so talented and napakahusay na po nilang act. And if you don't mind, I have a grocery list of people I'd like to thank. So of course, I'd like to thank PCBA Awards, and of course the panel. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you Dreamscape, thank you Star Magic for the opportunity they gave me a few months ago to work in my first teleserye, and I hope I made them proud. And of course, kay Direk Lauren, rest in peace Sir Leo, si Ate Hazel, Kuyon, Direk Raymond, Direk Roderick, the rest of the production crew, si Javan, Cedric, si Tonet, Ate Kim, Ate Rich, and the camera, of course, the audio and the editing. Of course, my wonderful co-stars, si Lori Alonte, si Lord Sandaglio, Charlie Quezon, Elise Soson, si Joseph Marco, and of course, special mention to my love team, si Alex Villanco, thank you so much. I hope I made you proud. Of course! Thank you for your patience. And of course, gusto ko rin po salamat sa aming mga supporters, sweethearts, solids.
Hindi gusto ng viewers na mas malito sa'yo yan.
Sa social media, and always giving us encouragement to work hard. I love you guys, and as much as I love you kasi the best kayo.
Okay! Very vibrant the image. Pasalamatan si Fred. Okay,
The VP Choice Awards for TV Actress of the Year for the
Congrats.
series
Congrats, Katie.
goes to people's favorite actress
Deserved.
exceptional performances in leading roles in a daytime television series while truly understanding the requirements of the characters they portray.
The nominees are Jillian Ward for Abot Kamay na Pangarap, Loisa Andalio for Pirapirasong Paraiso, Alexa Ilacad for Pirapirasong Herlin Budol for Magandang Dilag, Kate Valdez for Unika Iha, and Jane Oineza for Nag-aapoy ng Dilag.
And the VP Choice Award goes to
Alexa
Alexa Ilacad.
Mami.
Hi everyone, good evening. Ako po si Alexa Ilacad. Before anything else, thank you so much VP Choice Awards for including me in the list of nominees, and of course to the panel of judges who voted for me. And speaking of votes, I also dedicate this award to all my supporters, my sweethearts, and my solid fans. Thank you so much for doing everything that you do just for me and of course for Katie. We really appreciate you guys, and I love you so much. I would like to share this award sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Pirapirasong Paraiso, to the whole production team, to the whole staff, to all of my co-actors, and of course Dreamscape Entertainment. Thank you so much for entrusting me with the role of Beth Paraiso. I poured my heart and soul into this role and into this show, which is why I would also like to say thank you to my Paraiso sisters, Elise Hoson, Charlie Dizon, and Loisa Andalio, because they really inspired me, and I believe they brought out the best in me every taping day. And I would also like to thank our boss in heaven, Sir Leo. Thank you so much for giving me the gift of Pirapirasong Paraiso. And again, thank you so much, VP Choice Awards, for this recognition. And to all my supporters, my loved ones, Katie, thank you so much.
Katie, ang lakas Special mention. 10 points ka to.
The VP Choice Awards for TV Actor of the Year for a primetime series goes to the people's favorite actor who has delivered exceptional performances in leading roles in a primetime television series, while truly understanding the requirements of the characters they portray.
The nominees are Seth Fredolin for Dirty Linen,